Welcome to this video for getting started with PAS using the default site and RS-485 Modbus RTU communications. In this example, we are using the JCAR RS-485 to USB-A converter, which is available across Australia. The driver for the converter is located on their website. To begin, we locate the default site and perform a right-click on Configuration. Next, we select the model we want to communicate with, in this case EM133-XM. The default Modbus serial address for SATEC meters is 1. Next, we go to the Connection tab to choose our communication device. To verify which COM port to use, open the Device Manager, scroll down to the COM ports, find the COM ports section, and right-click to access its properties. Here, Settings and Driver information is located. In this example, we identify that we are using COM9. Back in PAS, select COM at 9, then click Apply and OK. There are more settings in the configuration menu. The default baud rate for SATEC meters is 90 to 200 kilobits per second. Click OK to continue. PAS has a communication test feature for use which is similar to Modscan. Select Edit Request to set the holding register and word count to read. Click Send to read from a holding register. A raw value is returned if the communications are successfully established. Click OK to confirm. To monitor, select Monitor Online. Here, if we right-click on Properties, viewing properties whilst online is possible. The serial number of the device we are connected is displayed, as well as Modbus slave address, COM port number, and other communication settings. The Properties page also shows other configuration settings, such as wiring mode, nominal frequency, PT ratios, CT ratios, and more. PAS is now configured for connection to an EM133-XM using RS-485 Modbus RTU communications. For further assistance or advanced training, SATEC is here to support you. We look forward to supporting you in your journey with power analysis software.